Today, we'll continue our study on how to maintain a youthful appearance, tips for staying young, by focusing on our mindsets. Because a healthy mindset is key to maintaining health and youthful vitality. Let's explore Bijan Anjomi's book, Effortless Health. Bijan is a world-renowned spiritual teacher, speaker, author, and advocate for world peace. Founder of the Effortless Prosperity Foundation. He has published 14 books on spirituality and personal growth, spoken globally, and promotes health, spirituality, fulfilling relationships, and a life of ease. Born in Iran in 1939, achieved his financial freedom as a realtor in Los Angeles, Bijan's life is a testament to ease and prosperity. He won the Mr. Universe Championship 3 times, 1993, 1994, 2003. His health astounds doctors, who have never seen such an extraordinarily robust physique. A message from Bijan. According to Earth's collective consciousness, anything beneficial and valuable enters our lives only after we have suffered, sacrificed, and struggled for it. Sadly, this has also become our belief system regarding health. We have been conditioned to think that hardship is necessary, that staying healthy is incredibly difficult. The same belief system applies to our perception of money. We've been indoctrinated with the idea that making money must be hard, as if wealth can only be earned through overwork and sacrificing personal time. This mindset traps many in a cycle of scarcity and exhaustion, convincing them that stress and suffering are prerequisites for financial security. Yet, this very belief may be limiting our ability to discover easier and more sustainable ways to create abundance. Instead, Bijan teaches that ease and abundance are natural states. Everyone's thinking about health these days, right? With so many products and books, it's tough to find the truth. Why should you listen to my method? Well, there's no single correct way to health. But my method? It's enjoyable and effective. For over 24 years, I haven't been sick or experienced any pain. Just think how wonderful it is to live completely free from illness. During these years, I won the titles of Mr. World Bodybuilding Champion, Natural Division, in the golden years of 1993, 1994, and 2003. And at the time I won the title in 2003, I was nearly 60 years old. Similarly, there is no single best diet method that works universally for everyone because each individual's body is unique. Factors like genetics, metabolism, lifestyle, and personal preferences all play a significant role in determining what nutritional approach is most effective. The key is to find a diet that not only supports your health and fitness goals, but is also sustainable and enjoyable for the long term. Balance and consistency, rather than strict rules and deprivation, often lead to the best results. My approach is all about embracing joy without the struggle. Imagine living in a state of happiness year after year, simply by fostering genuine connections. The key here is communication. When you share your feelings from a place of love, you create a bond that nurtures your health. But let's be clear, sharing is not venting. Venting is rooted in the past, driven by the ego, and often leads to blame and victimhood. It's a cycle of fear and guilt that keeps us stuck. Instead, when you express your true emotions in the moment, you release that burden and open the door to healing. This is how we cultivate a joyful life, free from the weight of our past. Every day, I hit the gym and fuel my body with the healthiest foods, thinking I'm doing everything right. But I've learned that physical health isn't enough. If I don't express my feelings, I'm just building a beautiful facade. Imagine a stunning temple with a cracked foundation. Eventually, it crumbles. Buried pain, unspoken grief, and stifled anger weigh me down, no matter how many miles I run or salads I eat. True wellness comes from releasing those emotions, allowing my heart to be as strong as my body. It's not just about the workouts, it's about healing from within. Sooner or later, those unresolved emotions will manifest as illness or physical discomfort. Have you ever noticed how stress tightens your shoulders, how anxiety knots your stomach, or how loneliness seems to drain your energy? These aren't just metaphors. They're your body's way of sounding the alarm. Science confirms it. Chronic emotional suppression weakens the immune system, disrupts digestion, and even alters brain chemistry. Your body always speaks the truth your mind tries to ignore. Maybe you're dealing with an illness right now, wondering, I'm already sick. What can I do now? First, honor where you are. Healing isn't about blame. It's about awareness. Follow your doctor's advice. Take your medication. Rest when needed. But don't stop there. Medicine treats the symptom, but you must treat the root. Here's how. As much as possible, cultivate feelings of joy and peace in every way you can. Start small. Watch a comedy that makes you belly laugh, the kind that leaves you breathless and wipes tears from your eyes. Laughter isn't just medicine. It's a rebellion against despair. Dance in your kitchen to a song you loved as a teenager. Sit quietly and watch the sunset. Not to post it online, but to remember that beauty exists without your effort. Call a friend and say, I've been holding this in. And let the words tumble out. Cry if you need to. Tears are proof you're still tender, still alive. Because only laughter, joy, and peace can truly restore you to wonderful health. They're not frivolous extras. They're the oxygen your soul needs to thrive. You wouldn't expect a plant to grow without sunlight. Why expect your body to heal without lightheartedness? Joy isn't a reward for getting better. It's the pathway there. And remember, healing isn't linear. Some days, cultivating joy might mean simply noticing one tiny pleasure. The warmth of your coffee cup, the sound of rain, the way your dog sighs in his sleep. Other days, it might mean roaring your anger into a pillow or writing a letter to someone you'll never send it to. The key is to move the energy, not lock it inside where it festers. Your body is always listening. Give it a reason to believe in life again. Most importantly, know that perfect health is your birthright as a being living on this earth. Remember, you deserve harmonious, beautiful relationships and effortless abundance. We don't have to struggle, strive, or work hard to possess what is already ours. Here's a secret. Your openness to healing and self-awareness is already a huge step. Remember, every small moment of joy or release you create is a love letter to your future self. Keep honoring your feelings, your laughter, and your peace. They're the quiet architects of your well-being. If you ever want to expand on another idea or need holistic ideas to uplift your situation, just come back to this channel. I'm here to help you weave magic with healing energy. Wishing you oceans of ease and abundant health ahead. With love, we are one.